Presenting a pre-owned 2001 BMW 325 Ci. Summer's just around the corner, so you better come and get it. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 2.5-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It was garage kept, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include Sport Package, CD player, heated front seats, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Don't dream it, drive it. Don't dream it, drive it. And as always, we'll see you when you get here.